To start off, we are going to talk about translations. Here we have a triangle at point A being -5, 3, point B being 0, 0, and point C being -6, -1. Let's translate it now. The translation we are going to do is -5, -1. First go left 5 spots because it's a negative, and you do the x-axis first because you walk before you fly. Next we have -1. You will move down 1 spot because now it's a y-axis and it's a negative. Now that we have translated it, here we have the new coordinates, which is point A being -10, 2, point B being -5, 1, -1, sorry, and point C being -11, -2. And there you have it, folks. That's translations for ya. Yippee-ki-yay! Now on to reflections. Here we have a dot, and we're going to make it called point S. It's back to business. So the point S is on 4, 6, and we're going to reflect it to the y-axis. So now it will be -4, 6, because it's the exact same spot, but in quadrant number 2, which is negative, positive. On the y-axis. I think I already said that. Now we are going to reflect it on the x-axis. Point S would now be 4, -6, because it's basically is in quadrant 4, which makes it positive, negative. And there you have it, folks. Again, it is reflections for you. Bye-bye.
On to rotations. We're going to rotate a square 90 degrees, 180 degrees counterclockwise, and 270 degrees clockwise. Okay, let's start off easy with the 90 degrees counterclockwise. We're going to move point A, B, C, and D counterclockwise. A would be 3, 4, B at 3, 6, C at 5, 6, and D at 5, 4. We have a trick for this which will be very useful in your class now. Quadrant 1 is always both positive. Quadrant 2 is switched around basically. For example, change 1, 3, 2 minus 3, 1. So on and so forth. So A would become -4, 3. You would just switch the numbers around. B would become -6, 3. C is -6, 5. And D is -4, 5. Now I'm going to make the square a square. Now on to 180 degrees counterclockwise. All the numbers will switch right again. A is -3, -4. B is -3, -6. C is -5, -6. And D is -5, -4. 270 now onto 270 degrees clockwise. Now it will be the same as the 90 degrees one. A will be minus 4, 3. B will be minus 6, 3. C will be minus 6, 5. And D will be minus 4, 5. That's all for rotations.